Welcome to Silicon Valley Asian Business Talk.
Hello, everyone. This is Roger Chen, and I am from University of San Francisco Center for Business Studies and Innovation in Asia Pacific. And Dr. Liu, welcome to our interview program, and we want to thank you for supporting us. Would you please briefly introduce yourself?
Thank you, Roger. It's an honor to be invited to this forum. I do think what you do is very important to really record the stories of Asian American entrepreneurs, scientists, technologists for their contribution to the world. So thank you. Myself, my education background is that I got my college education from Beijing University in cell biology and genetics. And then I got my PhD degree in biochemistry and molecular biology from Berkeley, from Cal. My professional history is that after my PhD, I worked at a biotech company called Chiron, which got acquired by Novartis 10 years later for $10 billion. That is back in 2006. So at Chiron, I worked in the oncology novel drug discovery group. And so after the acquisition, I started a new career. So I founded the company Eureka Therapeutics, which is now a clinical stage company developing cancer immunotherapy treatment for multiple cancers.
Challenges of Chinese entrepreneurs in the U.S. and advice.
It's from, managing or dealing with entrepreneur new ventures. You talk about the benefits. So from cultural perspective, do you also feel, advantages or benefits, as well as the disadvantages or drawbacks of, as an entrepreneur, dealing with the new startup companies?
Let me first see the drawbacks. Drawbacks in the U.S. as a Asian American or at least Chinese American entrepreneur, you got the short end of both worlds. You know what I'm talking about. In the US, we're a minority. We're not belong to the old boys club or the Jewish club. We don't get the benefit of those support. So it's very hard for us to get into their club, their doors. So you don't get much help. Yeah. Given now the geopolitical tension, it just makes things 10 times worse. But at the same time, I'm not getting benefit from China either. But people say, Cheng, if you come back, hey, you can be a national hero. The whole country, the whole government can just throw you as much money you want, as much people you want. So many of my friends went back and got all those benefits. I didn't. So I'm saying it's a disadvantage of both ends. So.
Right, that is true. But actually, do you also think, on the other hand, like following the double-edged sword philosophy, the Asian culture, actually has some kind of benefits for Asian entrepreneurs when they pursue their startup dreams? Actually,
yes, I think we yes, I said the shortcoming, but I'm very proud of being an Asian American entrepreneur. Very proud of it. And my goal is I'm going to prove it. We can be successful against all odds in biotech. That's kind of my ambition and my commitment.
Right. So actually relating to this, let's say, what's your advice to, let's say, younger entrepreneurs, especially, let's say, Asian young entrepreneurs? Hey, actually, I went through this journey, but here's my advice, as an Asian entrepreneur, do you have any kind of advice?
You have to accept who you are. In the end, if they accept you, they have to accept you as an Asian American.
Thank you for watching.